Hi everybody, it's me, Mandy. Today we're going to be doing some maths together, and we're going to be making a number ladder or a number slider. So what are we going to need for this activity? We're going to need one A4 sheet of cardboard, and we're going to split it up the middle so that it looks like this. Then we're also going to be needing a pencil, a rubber, a marker, a pipe cleaner, a pair of scissors, a ruler, a toothpick, and a bead. So I've already cut this piece of cardboard, and so we're only going to be using one piece. So I'm going to put that one on this side over here, and we're going to turn it this way so that it lies lengthways along the table. And we're going to be using our ruler to measure along the middle of the piece of card. So try and get it in the middle. And then you're going to be using your pencil. Go about 2 or 3 centimeters in and make a little mark. And then we're going to do a line across and make a little mark about 3 centimeters from the end as well. Okay, so start at your beginning mark, and we're going to do 2 centimeter increments, and we're going to count as we go. So the first mark was 0, then we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now you can see that I've got a whole lot of extra space over there, so we're just going to use our rubber, and we're just going to rub out the extra bit that I drew over there. All right, so then we're going to go over that with our marker, and we're going to write the numbers 0 to 10 underneath the little marks. I've already done one for us. I'll show that to you just now. Before I do that, though, you're going to put 2 little holes in your number line, one at the start where the 0 is, and one at the end where the 10 is. And that's for threading your pipe cleaner in. All right, so have a look what it looks like now. It looks a little bit like this, all right? So I've put my numbers in with my permanent marker, starting at 0 and going up to 10 with 2 centimeters in between. And the reason why I chose 2 centimeters is because I'm using quite a big bead. So then you use your pipe cleaner and you thread it in from the back, punching it through the little hole, and then we're going to put it back through the hole that I made at 10. And then we're going to straighten up the pipe cleaner, just so that it lies flat on the number line, like that. And then you can flip it over, and you can bend each part of the pipe cleaner backwards, just to secure it in place. And you can add some tape to the pipe cleaner just so that it lies flat on your number line. All right, so that's what it looks like when it's finished. That's a horizontal one. But you can also make them vertically, and you should expose your learners to both of these options. There's my vertical one over there that I made earlier on. All right, so how do we use these in class? These are great, and they're fantastic for assessment. If you put a little group of children in front of you, you can ask them questions about their numbers. So the first thing you can do is you can ask them number recognition. So you can say to them, can you slide your bead up and down the number line, and can you stop on the number 5? There you go. Well done, everybody. That's the number 5. Now show me, what's the number that comes before? And your children should be able to slide their bead to the number before, and they should be able to tell you that it's number 4. Well done. Good. Now you're going to put your bead back on number 5. Tell me what number comes after number 5. And they're going to be able to slide their bead up to the number 6 and show you that that's the number after number 5. Don't forget, you also need to introduce them to the vocabulary one more and one less. So if they're on number 5, you can say to them, what is 1 less than 5? And they're going to slide it down to the number 4. And you can say to them, what's 1 more than 5? And they can slide it up 1 to the number 6. It works exactly the same way on the vertical one. There you go, over there, just moving it down and up. down and up instead. You know what's great about these two? You can use them for addition. When you start to introduce addition and subtraction, let's say the sum is 5 plus 2. You can say to the children, put your bead on number 5, and now can you add 2? Can you go 2 more? 1, 2. There you go. They've landed on the number 7. So now they know that 5 plus 2 is 7. What happens if we do some takeaway? What's 5 take away 2? So they're going to do the start at the 5 and they're going to go backwards 2. So they can see that 5 take away 2 is 3. I hope you enjoy using your little number ladders and let me know how it goes. Bye-bye.